Wow. Yeah, yeah. That was quite a moment, wasn't it? Let's give Wajahat Ali a hand. Okay, so this is not going to be easy to follow up, but there's only one person who can follow up on where Wajahat left off. He is not Wajahat. He is the one and only Gibran Ilyas. Now, this is a really important moment, okay? Because this guy just doesn't do this. This guy is the secret dark knight of Pakistani social media. People are trying to find him. He has multiple email addresses, multiple Twitter accounts. Millions of people listen to his little cryptic details every day. He effectively does what a lot of you may know, most of you don't know, but I've heard of, the PTI social media machine. Now, the PTI social media machine, I'm going to make him nervous. I'm going to walk in front of him. The PTI social media machine is single-handedly a phenomena across South Asian politics today. It is the only voice, the only free voice of the largest political party and movement of Pakistan, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, whose leader, Imran Khan, God bless him, has been in jail now for almost 650 days. And the only way we hear from or about Imran is through this man and the machine he runs. That's what an important role Gibran Ilyas is playing in Pakistani politics today. Let's give him a hand for that. Let's set that up. This is a difficult role. This is a difficult role. Gibran is a wanted man. I know what that feels like, but he really knows what that feels like. He's a Northwestern professor by day. He's a Google security expert by the afternoon, but he's a PTI social media warrior by night, right? This is the Bruce Willis of Pakistani social media. Tell us firstly, two questions, and I'm going to let you take the stage. How do you guys run this crazy machine? Millions of followers, many of them in this room. How do you guys run this crazy machine? And frankly, why do you guys do it? You've got a job. You're sitting here. You're in America. You can't go back. What's your problem, man? Just pay your taxes, go back home to your wife. Why do you get millions of people triggered, informed every day on TikTok, Insta, Twitter, etc.? What's your problem? Tell us your problem. Tell us your story.
Well, first of all, thanks for the very, very kind intro. And that is what Wajahat had asked just now, right? Why do I do this? I've been here. I work at Google. I teach at Northwestern. I don't need to do this. Anybody want to guess what that answer was? What that one word was? Why do we do this? Love Pakistan, but one other thing. It's our dignity. Dignity is what I live with 24/7, right? It is my identity. So if I want a positive outlook of Pakistanis wherever I go, I want my country to have rule of law, to have justice, to have equal human rights, right? So basically the answer to the second question is dignity, and that is why we do this. We get a lot of credit for PTI social media. What I say to that is we have done nothing. It's the people of Pakistan who have smartphones, because with the smartphones, with your social media accounts, you folks are the journalists. If I don't know if you folks know, if you search for like news in your App Store or Google Play Store, X comes up as the #1 app for news. So if you have that account, guess what? You are as good a journalist as could be. And what we've learned over the years, it's not even the people with like the big accounts. It's the idea that goes viral. So if you have an idea, and if you're brave enough to put it, incredible things will happen. You can actually change a lot of things. Or the people that we're kind of like up against are very, very powerful people. But the thing is, the truth is not on their side. So one of the first things that they said very arrogantly is that we have a red line on Imran Khan, and guess what? He's never coming back again. And I will say, if I could sum up this movement of last 3 years in a sentence, I would say, Nothing can win over truth. And for the last 3 years, they've been trying to crush us 1% at a time, but the movement keeps growing. And just yesterday, Dr. Arif Alvi mentioned that according to their own survey, Imran Khan has 90% popularity in Pakistan. So that's the power of truth. Don't ever estimate the power of truth. Don't ever estimate your one account, because your one tweet, your one Instagram message, your one Facebook post can help in changing the world.
Thank you. Amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
There's a